Ocho. Yes, sir. Nice, nice.
Friend, ready?
Ready, ready. Outside.
Listen, I am afraid, terrified of heights. So adventure parks are just not for me. Mystic Mountain was definitely the furthest thing from my bucket list. When I heard of the journey on this SkyExplorer onto the property,
It's too far, like, me not like should so far for going.
I said no, no, no to the no. Massive, listen, this is way up in the sky, like an airplane ride. Without the plane, just the seats. Missy, Fabian has been eager to go for a while now. So I just say, alright then, let's get it over with. Whole time my heart in my mouth. And it wasn't just me.
Oi, rock
Why you have to do that?
Hey, look at jerk. Hey, look at jerk. That's scary, you know.
Fabian was scared silly too. Kadina hold it like a G still. Bobsledding.
Yes.
Ragamuffin. Ziplining. The pool to cool off after you're done. Great food. It was a scary, fun, thrilling, overwhelming day. You just have to watch to see more.
Come on, big up on yourself, you know, next time come on Jamaica and link up, Jamaica walk by, is it?
That me get all that special, that is it.
Yeah,
Martin, so the genius.
Junior Michael, is it? But them call me Jesus sometimes, is it?
A man named Michael, but then call him Jesus sometime, and then say Christ the road and so.
Christ,
Oh, now wicked, you know.
yeah, the Holy Spirit, them they run this.
And the Holy Spirit, them they run this so. You hear them name, and man them have up here? Yeah. Wagwan, all my massive, all my people, big up every time. You don't know, welcome to another episode on Jamaica Walk By. Yeah. Deal Auto Source and Massive, we are in St. Anne's. You understand, we're there, Mystic Mountain. Oh, it's crazy. Yeah, all love. Massive, it's my first time here, and OMG, this place is beautiful from the parking lot. I don't know what outside inside look like, but from the outside it is extremely beautiful. I love the vegetation, like wow. So we're gonna give you an extensive tour on what Mystic Mountain looks like in 2023. We're gonna give you all of the full happenings. You know, I'm gonna pay for all the rides, everything that we can possible explore and thing, and show everybody what it's all about. You understand? So mad love, mad respect. So all my Jamaica Walk By Massive who tune in right now, you just know. Remember if you start liking the video, start commenting your experiences at Mystic Mountain and thing. Yeah, no joke. Wow. So crazy artwork and thing. Look at this. Beautiful. Yeah. So Massive, we are at Mystic Mountain, and trust me, check it out. Martin. So right in Mystic Mountain, right below the car park, you can get all of them beautiful things here. OMG, mad thing. Crazy. Yeah, so yeah, my general. Are you ends this?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
That is it. So Jamaica Walk By Massive, yeah. So say general away. Response to you, so. That is it. So you met them? Yo, Jano. A super talented thing them, my brother. Super talent them, man. Figure that. Look now, man. Jano.
The green, the red, and the yellow.
Mad thing.
All the colors, you know?
Wow. Beautiful work. Yeah, for some persons who like maybe want order, you have a number you want to give out?
Yeah, man, my number 561-4482.
So 561-4482. What the man name?
Sian.
Sian. So you can contact Sian if you want order. Any one of them you pre-order before you can reach Mystic Mountain. You understand? Beautiful. What the rest of them, man? Look now, man. Look now, man. Figure that. You don't know. So blessed love. Respect here, my G. Jamaica walk by. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look there. Nice. So, yeah, massive as we move along, you know. Yeah, that is it. Big up my bro. That is it. You hear that? Oops, so bye. Figure that. Yeah, so it's a vibe in Jamaica. Yeah, so big up to all my genuine supporters. Big up all of my new supporters from Africa, Kenya, who actually follow me from I am Marwa's page. So I'm actually in the Ocho Rios side and heading towards a link up with Mara. I'm not sure which way to go here, but as you can see, yeah, but I'm not sure which way to go, but I go find the car. Lexi is here, Lexi and Kylie, and we're here with Dale. Oh, there they are. So it's looking like some registration part of it as well. Don't mind me at, but before I'm gonna further another video here, now endorse the bag here. See? Yeah. The bag here is from Rich Cam. Big up to Rich Cam on Instagram for sponsoring Jamaica Walk By with this bag. Really nice. Love it. Actually wearing this bag everywhere I'm going now. I like the parts. It's waterproof. I love that about it. I get some zip section as well. You can keep your cards, you can keep your money and other important documents. You understand? So Rich Cam, big up yourself on Instagram. So and here's Lexi. Oh Lexi, sound like more money.
No, the ID.
Oh, ID.
They have to prove that you're a resident here.
Okay, so if you get the local package, they're going to need your identification to prove that you're actually a local. My one in the by itself in a bag. In the bag. So yeah, so at massive, so Mystic Mountain again. Look what go on. Yeah. So in this video it will be uncut. So I'm gonna show you everything about Mystic Mountain that I can. Uncut. Okay. Alright, so she said she needs to see my face to make sure it's me. Alright. Yeah. So look on the boy, I'm sweet. I am? I am? Alright, she say I am. Big up every time. Mad love, mad respect. So we outside. Yeah, so everybody watching now, big up to all of you who joined. We're gonna try our best to show exactly what the place is all about, what it look like, you know, what it entails, maybe get a one-on-one experience of the rides here at Mystic Mountain. I said the vegetation is everything. You can see mad thing. You see a place nice, tell yourself have to ease off of crime and come live and enjoy the country, you know, not here. When they make a whole lot now, I lock up in some place where they enjoy culture. Look at the place nice and pretty. Eh? So we are actually see how much locals gonna be here too as well. Enjoy the property so far. But actually see a lot of outsiders, you know, tourists, a lot of tourists come here and thing. So like we see we locals them come at them place to man come enjoy the country and all of that. Even though it's not free, but yeah, the thing set up really nice and beautiful. You know? Yeah. And most people will come here then just come to have fun and enjoy with them family and stuff like that. So you have to present your ID if you're a local and thing if you go inside. You understand, to get the local price, right? So let's say hand me the handbag. I don't know how we are going to do this, but yeah, this is Kadina. Yeah. And you don't know Dale Auto Source. Remember, check him out on Instagram as always. Yeah, no joke. Yeah. So this is where we walk to go inside.
Yesterday.
Alright. Beautiful. So what we do, we register over there. Ooh. So, tell me a little bit about what happened over this a while ago. So,
Over there, you register you want to know what package you're interested in. How many of you they want to see your ID because to get the resident discount, they have some proof that you are actually a resident here.
okay.
They can see your ID,
Oh,
either your driver's license or your voter's ID and passport.
oh, so they want to know the package over there that you want, make sure that you are a resident and stuff.
Their total is 26,000.
So massive, we're here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of us. The total is $26,000 to go inside. The package it is varies because I'm going to be I'm purchasing one of the package that I can actually do all of the rides them. So I can actually get the show now. You know? Yeah. So because more of the show now all of the rides them, it I got burn up my pocket wicked. So the bill have to weigh at 26,000 odd. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Please maybe gonna start like it from now, start commenting, you know. And me always tell people this, you know, doing YouTube you have to spend money. You have to invest a lot of money in your channel and make sure say right you give the content them with the people them want to see. So Mystic Mountain it's the first time for me here. I've seen so much about it, I heard so much about it. And I just want to experience it with my family and all of you who are watching right now. Alright, so this is a video to show you exactly what everything is about. If you didn't know, so once you want to come here, you will know exactly what to do and where to go. Alright? Yeah, no problem with that. Yeah, so this is actually a look at lobby area. Alright, so yeah, come. There's a ticket there.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, respect, bro. Alright, so we just get the ticket then purchased and we trying to go through this area to get them put on us or installed on us. Yeah. It's a massive, the place is really beautiful. Yeah, the water over there is crystal clear with some fishes in it. Yeah. Oh my, it's awesome. Yeah. So this is not a sponsored video by Mystic Mountain whatsoever. This is just us doing what we do, you know. Yeah. And we just bring you along to enjoy the entire thing. Wow. Look at this. Man, look at that. Look at that. So they actually have a wheelchair area. So if you can't go up the stairs, you can actually come in from the wheelchair section. That's awesome. So it is actually disability accepted or approved. Wow. Oh, there's the zip lines going up. Hey! This is gonna be cool. Alright, the one for the zip line and everything go on here. So we're getting them installed. Yeah. So Dale is actually getting a all access ban as well. Eh? We said a ban name run the rhythm. Alright, so we are gonna run the rhythm. You understand? Yeah, after you run the money.
Run the rhythm.
Yeah. No, Joe. Bless up my G. Respect our manners, Zane. Yeah. Yeah, so far, me have to comment the workers. Them man them have a vibe. Yeah, me like the spirit. Yeah. So, one thing you will understand coming here for true. The workers are very nice. The workers are very polite. Them very people friendly. They are actually so warm. You actually feel like you go have some fun from you enter. Hello, Lexi? So Lexi can confirm to that. Yeah. So massive, look at this. Wow. So big up to all of the workers at Mystic Mountain so far at the entrance. So, wow. Beautiful. Dale Auto Source. Yeah. We are enjoying the journey. family settings. Yeah, the vegetation is beautiful.
YouTube setting.
That is it.
You guys like to visit.
You hear that? So please may I ask if you like. So this is the direction. Wow. Massive. It's breathtaking. Beautiful. Beautiful. So Mystic Mountain, everybody, in Ocho Rios, St. Anne's, Jamaica. Taking you along this journey. So if you're just starting to watch it, please I'm asking you to subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, please I'm asking you to like the video. This is going to be a long video, but we are ready for the journey. We are ready for the journey. Right? Aren't everyone ready for the journey? Figure that. That is it. Yes, my bro, you're outside. Yeah. You're foreign or you're local? You're local. First time you're out here? Yep. First time. Alright, so me and we end up joining the trip with somebody over there for the first time too as well. Big up yourself, my bro. Where the man fall from?
Kingston.
Kingston. Big up all Kingston massive as always. Yeah, what you mean? We're outside. Blessed me G. We're going to document the entire trip, the entire journey. Yeah. So massive, you know, when you fall a place like this, people always like, you know, they come to enjoy themselves. Everybody, you know, warm and polite, which is nice and show that you're gonna have some fun, you know. But this sign right here, Mystic Mountain. Nice rustic board look. Beautiful. Yeah. No doubt. You get a sanitizing station here as well. Massive seat there, Jamaica walk by in the place. On the back of the shirt. So this is how we go around. So you can actually know it is us coming along. Right, Dale?
Right.
I'm so sorry, let me apologize. I should have gotten a shirt for Dale, but the kitty not 100 yet, so we are try pile up some funds in the kitty so we can get a lot more shirt to can give persons a shirt when time we're rolling in the street so we can know it's one team and one dream. You understand? So Dale, me apologize.
A good man.
Soon get a nice shirt
Walk
you
by
can wear.
forever, you know?
Walk by, you hear that? No joke. So this is where we are about to go on the space shuttle. Then call it the SkyExplorer, but the space shuttle. Alright. A deal will are for you. Yeah. Alright. Hi, hello, don't mind my camera. I'm trying my best not to get your face in it because I'm see that you're so shy. But I know that the workers here are so nice, so you're not going to cuss me or you're not going to run me. So, big up yourself, my friend. If you have your business and so on as well, you can always link us up on Jamaica Walk by Will to share it for you. If you're planning on branching off with a business, you know, free promotion straight. If you want us to give out an Instagram, I can always give out an Instagram. You mind? Or you're not in Instagram? She's so shy, she's just smiling and thing, but yeah, big up yourself, my friend. Oh, I'm not even sure, and I'm not sure how old I am. I think I am 36 or 37. So, yes, massive. Yeah, sometimes I honestly I forget how old I am because I'm looking so young and handsome. I don't really pay the age any mind. I try to forget, you know. So I am as old as I look. So once my face is shaved up and I feel like I'm 16 today or 17, I am what I look like. So when they ask me, I'm saying I'm feeling and looking about 17 or somewhere around there. So that's how much I am, you know. But big up every time. Sometimes I'll forget my name, you know, because I don't really use my name. So my name is actually for persons who going to get up and call it and saying that you're Fabian. So sometimes I don't remember those things. But big up every time, you see me? Yeah, figure that. That is it. So it's all about a fun time. Nice rustic board type of thing. Nice. Yeah. If you're not afraid of high talk from now, you know. Soldier them forward in. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah? I have to sign? Alright. Hold it strong for me, let me sign this. So I got to sign. Alright. Wow, look at this. Then said this are the problem part in about, oh my lord. So far massive, based on my engineering expertise, this looks very safe. Looks very unique and well built. So look how you're gonna join it. It doesn't stop really, you know, you just have to sit down and go. Oh my word. So ready? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, right, go on. Jamaica walk by, we outside. Maybe the singing side, maybe. Wakako. Okay, that's the Japanese. Okay, I got you. Yeah man, we outside. Yeah man, so alright, tell her what is going to happen. Alright, guess what? Make yeah. I know, make you go with no, make Dale and you and the kids go. Me will just go alone. No, I make Kadina come with me then, but you and where's the Kadina? What you wanna do? Alright. Catch me want you to have the kid, me want you and you say kinda afraid, me want you go with somebody big. You understand? Alright. Alright, we're ready. So me and you and Kadina going to go. And Dale and alright, cause you always want to go with somebody big because she's kinda afraid of the height. So yeah. She says she's not afraid of the height, she's just concerned. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Alright, Dale, go on. Make Dale go so you can see where it go. Yeah.
Bye, Kadir. Bye.
Dale, now look good in a bag of drop already. You can drop this in the bag. Oh, behind the yellow line. So once you're not going on the ride, stay behind the yellow line. Alright. This is the world class equipment here. Oh, you can come in but don't pass the yellow line. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So that is it. Next, you ready? Let's do this. We're doing it. Yeah. Yeah, strap them. Strap them to the chair. Here? That way if one I go then not carry nobody else. Oh God! Oh God! Beautiful. I love the engineering, so yeah. So you're going to stop it or you just do it fast enough? Okay. Are you ready? Let's do this. Alright. Alright.
Hold the bag in.
Alright, so Massive realize once you stop it, everybody stop. So, yeah. In general, I do the right thing. So,
You afraid too?
All of the no, I'm just if I have my baby and she's very energetic.
yeah.
I am concerned. I'm not afraid.
Safety first. Not to worry!
Never worry.
There are some persons on the zipline looking like.
No man, put her face the other way.
Yeah, makes you feel. So Massive, it is 100% safe so far from persons who actually do it before. So we're not going to worry or fret. So big up to me general and make sure so we see if everything go alright. Why your Instagram, my G?
No sir, finisher Omega, _Omega.
Finisher! Yeah. Hold on, beat make a finisher?
Yeah.
I can't use this.
Yes bro.
Beat make a finisher. So you look like you put on like some weight. You're going to the gym, man.
That go on.
That go on. Oh, a finisher. Massive, a big beat maker. So when they say finisher, I'm like, what? big mega feet finisher. Big up yourself every time, bro. You go on the gym and base here. That's why you look so different. A whole heap of pounds to put on. Yeah, look at facial here. Yo, me and you go chat, you know. So, me have your number, same number you have and everything.
Same Instagram.
Alright, finisher. Big up and respect and manners here. That is it. So massive out here on the blog. You don't know. I want real G. Tough beat maker massive. Yeah. So all I producer them, I go on the link so you can link him if you don't want a real beat. Finisher, big up. So massive were off. Whoa. That is it. Wow.
I don't like this.
Hope you never have your word in us saying that, oh, stop. Big up every time saying, how was it? Scary. Whoa, massive. It's serious. Well off the ground. Well off the ground. Almighty. Lexi, how you feel? You don't know everything. Massive, this thing is mad high now, bro. Wow. Me I did it, you know, so I like them thing here, you know, the rush of it is so nice. Look at that.
It's like you have to just not think that you're so high up.
But it is not much.
Just look in front of you and don't look down.
But this is not much different from a plane ride, Lexi.
But you're inside. You're completely enclosed. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
Yeah. So we are actually on the what's it called this? The SkyExplorer, and the massive, it is mad high and it is moving not that fast, but it is scary. Like, I am not afraid of heights anymore, should say, and I am having a warm time doing this. It is mad scary.
The only reason why I do this, I have one cousin that have a 1-year-old and she brought him here. But if me never did know nobody at all would ever carry them picnic home, I wouldn't be on this ride.
You wouldn't.
I don't like it.
Yeah, massive, it is not something for the faint of heart. It is not for the faint of heart. So because you're traveling over persons, you're traveling out, Kylia, I know it is mad scary, but you don't know danger.
And
but
what I don't like,
holy crap.
what I don't like is if you feel scared in the midst of it, you can't come on.
No, you can't change your mind. You cannot change your mind, but the beauty of the place is awesome. Look at that. You cannot change your mind. Kylia, behave yourself. Stop and relax. OMG. And it's a very far way to go. So imagine doing this. Kylia, relax. So imagine doing this. OMG. Massive, this. I'm not sure if watching the video you'll be feeling like this, but to be on it, hey. So when they stop it down there, if you put on other persons, the entire thing is stopped, and you're not making spin, you just grab him because I don't know why she wanna, you know. Wow. Jaja. So massive, I'm promising us to let you guys experience the journey and to see exactly what this place entails, and so far it mad. Whoa.
You look at the ride back, it's not as bad as the ride going.
Yeah, the ride coming back, it's lower. OMG. Look at that beauty. Look at that view from where we are. OMG.
Put it on your mouth.
Wow.
You don't feel as bad now.
I guess I'm telling you, this is not for the faint of heart. OMG.
And if you have a restless toddler, you might not want to do this.
Yeah, if you have a child who is not like,
You can't, that you have a hard time.
Because look at little Kylie now.
Kylie.
You have to be holding her well tight and thing. But you see, me personally, me believe in I say no picnic can rule me, you know. So if me decide say you go ball out the whole journey, you go ball, because I go hold you tight and I go lap you. Because you now come out of my hand. Even though we make sure that they are strapped, so for added security, they are strapped down and thing. So now we come to a complete stop. I don't like this stop. I don't like this stop thing. Yeah. Me don't like this stop. Figure that. Kadina, what's happening? What's happening?
Be glad you come with me, cause
Jeez.
like you be here, but you feel a little more at ease.
Woo! The stop partner nice, my friend. My brothers. The stopping of it is not as sweet. So, for persons under 9 years old, explain that.
Alright, so me explain now. So I think what me about brought up. So you have two different packages. You have the Run the Rhythm package, which is for 7,500. Kylia.
Yeah, do hug her up there for me.
$7,500
She not run the show, yeah.
for adults, and for children ages 5 to 9 is $5,000. 5,000? No. Ages 5 to 9 would be 4,000. In that package, you get all of the activities, including water, the pool, water slide, Anansi's wave, Ragamuffin, Bobsled, rock climbing, and Zipline. So that's for the 7,500. The other package is for 500. Want to see with me? The other package is for $5,000.
Yeah.
So for that package, you basically get everything excluding zipline and rock climbing.
Okay.
So the only difference between the two packages is that for one you get zip lining, rock climbing, and the other one you don't get. So if you're a person who don't really interested in doing a zip lining, then you can just do the one for $5,000.
Oh, well said. Well
For
said.
children ages 5 to 9, you have to pay for them. Once the child is under 4 and under, they're free.
Okay.
Probably for the group.
Alright. Alright, so you heard that. So that is for the info on the packages and thing. Look at that. Oi. I just hit my camera up there. So sorry. Yeah.
And the ride on the SkyExplorer going in is 20 minutes long.
Also, this ride that we're on right now is 20 minutes long.
Yeah, so it's a part of the experience. Me just did wish say you have one other way. I think there's another way in and out.
Yeah, you can see you can walk it. You can probably hike it.
Or probably they have one road or something where
We
can
drive.
stand here. So, but I think that they just want you to do this as part of the experience.
It is crazy. What kind of cock up? So yes, massive. She's holding on to me. I wonder if she's afraid. I don't think so.
I don't understand. Clap, 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 clap.
Clap, clap, clap.
Wave, wave.
Clap, clap.
Wave, wave.
Wave, wave,
Hands on
yeah.
your mouth.
Hands on your mouth.
Hands on your mouth. Make your hands stick to your mouth.
Well, Alexi will never let anything happen to this baby. But me I beg you, make sure you're holding tight there for me there.
The thing is, she does not like to be confined.
Yeah. Yeah, don't.
She doesn't like confinement.
20 minutes long. This seems longer, man.
Dale, you good? Caddy, you're good?
20
You
minutes
afraid?
long. You afraid? Yes, auntie.
I don't like it. If I focus.
I'm afraid too. So don't worry about it. The adults are scared as well. Dale, it kind of like a shaky, you know? Yeah.
It's too far, like, I don't like, it shouldn't so far to go in.
And massive, looking at the journey ahead, we are nowhere near to reach. We still have a couple peaks and couple hills to go. So massive. Oh my god. Look up on this high point here. Why them have to make this one so high? Almighty to the tomb. I'm not afraid of height, but for the persons who can't really angle the height and stuff like this is mad high. And then guess what? Breeze a blow. Eh? This is mad high and breeze a blow. Look there. Look them and say, yes, my G. You look alright, no man. You look like a mommy Fred. OMG, man, this is not for the faint of heart. This is mad high. So you're scared of heights. This probably won't be the ride for you, but I can assure you that you're going to be safe. I should have said that when time so far, seems pretty safe. Just relax. Just relax. Look down there. There's a guy where maybe look like him about 200. Look like him just 200 pounds. I see him there in the middle. Well, alright, well cozy with two other persons on it. So that must say, in good. So we're good, man. We're good, man. But must look on the view from where we are sitting. Looks in the hand, right? So you must know. So this is Mystic Mountain.
For some people like myself, it's just something you're going to do one time in your life and you ain't ever coming back.
Probably just saying that it's our first. Kylia, relax, my daughter. Relax and just breathe the seat. Right? So breeze up. I don't close my hat. Oi, rocks.
Why you have to do that?
Hey, look a jerk. Hey, look a jerk. That's scary, you know. But yeah.
The thing is, you can't really 2 meters or higher the off the ground because you will lose it.
Hey, the blow off for the air when me dry it down already. And Kylie kind of look at me miserable, but
she want to take her now.
yeah. Jeez, look at that. Done, my baby, my sweet, beautiful daughter. I say, maybe Mystic Mountain can look into this, like if persons want to hike it, they can hike it, take the hike, you know. Maybe for the tourists too. Tourists probably want to walk this. So if they should like maybe clean out a track and put up, you know, stuff to make it more a little bit difficult for them to get the journey in. I know that persons would want to just to walk.
Picture will be taken at the next tower. Smile.
Oh, so
What tower?
on this they say your picture will be taken at,
Other tower like this.
at the next tower.
Well, me no know.
Yeah, there's a track down there. Oh, maybe at the ATV. Maybe you're at the ATV then drive. So Kylie is crying. She want to. Alright. Done. So our baby is crying.
I want to zip garden.
Alright. Don't mind my daughter. You'll be fine. You'll be okay. I can.
We're almost there.
Yeah, I can see something now, so soon reach. Yeah. So, trying to get Kylie something to eat. She probably just want a little snack. Yeah, oh yeah, I should have told them that she's teething, so it's kind of difficult for her. I don't like the stop. The stop part. Not so nice. Not so nice at all. Not so nice at all. Ooh.
You see, once you don't overthink it, it is not a bad
Experience.
yeah, like, but if you read them, it's like, oh my god, I'm so scared of heights and blah, blah, blah. You're gonna lose it.
Oh my word. Oh my word. Massive, me have to hold on the camera like with dear life because I don't want to drop it. Because if this drop down there, so we just have to just go for the memory card.
If we have to pay for the picture, I want it still.
Alright. So Massive, so far we pay what, 26,000 for every one of us?
3 adults.
3 adults,
Children and a baby.
2 children and a baby. Children. Father.
Smile for the camera.
So let's smile for the camera. Oh, so it's like some surveillance camera, but they actually set up one to take pictures. So on that one there. Don't get me wrong though, it is nice. It is nice too.
Yeah, it's not it's scary, but it.
I wish it was going a little bit faster though.
Yeah. Maybe they didn't have that for the worker then.
For the workers, yeah.
But probably I think why they make it mandatory.
Let's smile for the camera. Mad thing.
But what to say?
It looks like it's a cannon they have in there. No? They have a cannon mounted. Yikes.
Why you have to do that? Fabian, can you give me one more biscuit? No, one piece of it.
Massive, I'm hoping that's where it ends because whew, I've been dying to reach. No, let me I'm gonna change up my words. I want to reach. I'm going to exalt the word out of your talk, you know.
Yeah, but what I was saying before, why they make this, why they not have an alternative route for you to go inside? Probably most people would not come on this thing. So they're like, okay, you know what?
We're gonna make
this is the way in onto the property.
Yeah.
So you have to go on it.
We're gonna make it exciting from the start. And trust me, I'm getting the thrill of, oh my God. And don't get me wrong, the ride is nice if you're actually maybe why I feel like this is because I'm here with my family.
Yeah,
so
why I feel like this is because my baby's on it.
Yeah, so I feel more overly protective and be like, oh God, please no make no man, please no make this up mar. Yeah, I'm not gonna say them. Me nah say them in Jesus' name. Nah say it, because you know power in the word. But the view, it is worth the hype. It is beautiful. Oh my.
But for somebody extremely scared of heights, I wouldn't recommend that they come on this.
Yeah,
because
they come blindfold. Cover up your eyes.
No come, because there is no, if you get a panic attack in the middle of it, there is no way for you to come off. There is no way for you to come off. So if you are if you just have a little fear and you can tough it up and go on, then yes. But otherwise, if you are extremely scared and you might get a panic attack, I wouldn't recommend.
You can't come. Or you go pass out.
No exit.
Or if you go pass out.
And probably that is why they make it go so slow, because it kind of more relax you.
Yeah. You get you comfortable. Man.
I feel like when I come home, I will be like, oh my, this again.
Look at that. That is it.
And this is how I know that I never do ziplining. Me? Crazy.
Yeah, zipline.
Oh, you are going to do that?
Me I go do it. Massive, me I do the zipline. I'm going to do this zipline and I'm going to video. So I probably strap the camera onto my arm in case I pass out. So in case I pass out, it will still be recording and all of us will see the pass out together. It's Jamaica walk by, one walk by. I don't know, so I'm not afraid of nothing. Me only go afraid if me a par with Christmas list and he want to go in a certain place. We're going to make him go on, you know? Big up Chris, and big up I am Marwa and Alma Kenyan massive, Alma Africa massive. So we're actually pulling in now.
Oh my God.
From out of the spaceship onto the property. Alright, so this is what coming off the spaceship. look like. What then call it? What the right name for it?
SkyExplorer.
The Sky
To
Explorer.
explore the chair will not stop, so get out quickly and walk over the green line.
You hear that?
Where is the green line?
The chair will not stop. Get off quickly and walk over the green line. Yeah.
Hello.
Ah, my G. Mad.
You pull?
No, he must stop it.
Oh. I'm gonna try to rush.
Alright, so him actually stop it for you. Alright. Yeah, so we are here. Oh, let me get it. Image. Respect. Woo! Look at it. Blessed respect, respect. Alright, cool. Yeah, deal, how was it?
Good man.
It was good. Watch, I'm still see fear in the air. You go. Career, how was it? Oh my God.
Bro,
Yeah.
you gonna stop on that time.
Me nah lie, sometimes I stop and rock, man, it mash me up.
To that rock.
Yeah.
So we're doing the zipline in the same over there so I'll get information.
Okay, so guess this is for us. Oh, there's a line. All right. Wow, so yeah. So this is a synopsis of how up here look like. Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. And that's what we are doing. Don't think of it.
Yeah. And I am Fabian Allen. I'm doing. Okay, all right.
You guys can look at the Bobsled straight now.
All right. So, where can we like put our stuff down and stuff like that?
So you can lock up from the cashier to your right, put away your stuff, and then
All right. So, what about like a chill spot? So, like I'm here with my family, and we want we by the pool. Okay. Where's that? Where's that?
down the hallway to your left and around the building.
All right. So we might want to go somewhere we can sit down and chill and put on stuff, and you guys can wait on us. Yeah. So we are actually up by Mystic Mountain. We just want somewhere to chill with the family. So we are going to go by the pool area. As you can see, a lot of souvenir plus, jewelry and stuff up here. I'm going to give you a nice walk by of all the stuff here. Blessed love, mommy. Respect. You care to talk to me when I'm finished to come and showcase some of your stuff you have up here? All right, nice, lovely, lovely. So, yeah, massive. Music, so I'm going to mute it for a bit. So we're going to the pool area. Yeah. Where we can actually get somewhere to sit down and relax, and while me and Dale might be going some adventure, we can leave the stuff and stuff like that. Oh, this is over here. Alright. Alright. Alright, so far this will be our chilling spot where we're gonna just chill and relax a little bit, and you know, as we explore and have some fun. So we are by the pool area. Alright, so at this point I'm going to just cut the video a bit and gonna get changed, and I'm gonna walk and give you a tour of the property up on this side to show you what the things that the persons are selling and where the bar is at, you know, where to come and get to the pool. Some of you actually follow us and see where we walk to the pool, but I'm going to give you a better description of that as well, and where is where, and we're just going to walk and talk and see if we can actually just interact and enjoy this place, you know. So yeah, Lexi, so far what's your impression?
It's really good. A lot of,
What do you think so far?
it's really good. A lot of activities and stuff.
Yeah. Oh, I never know, you couldn't tell me that. I would not catch, but she feed the baby. So yeah. Alright, so we soon come back. I go actually change myself, change off into some other clothes, so I go enjoy the place and we're gonna get to it. You know the thing go. Alright, soon come. Yeah, massive. So we're actually going to give you now a full tour of the premises, you know, so you can know what to expect. Massive, this place is beautiful. Look at the view. Look na man. Look na man, look at that. OMG. Look at that. Kind of like I said, the entire Ocho Rios from up here, so. Beautiful. See a Moon Palace then, a Moon Palace, that man, see Moon Palace Hotel, we look straight at Moon Palace center camera. One of the best hotels in Jamaica, no joke. Yeah, Moon Palace. So we are by the pool section, right? And the pool section have this nice little gazebo type of thing, you know, to clear you from little sun, or if you want to be outside or so on and so forth. There are a lot of chairs. Beautiful and things. So we're gonna check out the rest of the pub. You also get your garbage bin, says you eat and thing, your place to dispose of your garbage properly, which is really nice. Yeah, the place is extremely clean too, no joke. So they'll actually find a spot where him can get a shot to buy. So this is the pool here. So yeah, so these are the rules for the pool. You know, the pool actually have a lifeguard too as well here. So the pool have a mad piece of slide. Yeah, pool have a mad piece of slide and thing. Blessed me general, big up every time. Are your kids? Yeah, that is it. Love to see gentleman them come out to them kids, see have fun, you know, like myself, yeah. And him, even though the lifeguard there, him still there watch where I go and can want to make sure too. You understand? Even though there's a camera, look like he mounted here, so, and the lifeguard up there, so I go and do him thing, I watch out and everything same way. So yeah, it's a vibe. Yeah, so you actually get featured on Jamaica Walk By today. So yeah, so hope you can subscribe to the channel and give it a one like, you know. Yeah, so the channel is Jamaica Walk By. Yeah. So massive. So around this side, you can't enter from here for the bobsled, but I'm gonna show you. So these are the bobsled. The bobsleds, yeah. We're gonna ride them too. So we're gonna go enjoy that as we go. Yeah. a whole lot of surveillance camera too as well, so that persons don't get lost or stuff don't happen and they don't see it. So that is really good. All of the safety protocols and measures over there. Alright, let's go. Alright, so yeah, man. Yo, Maji, what is upstairs? Slide and view. Alright, so I'm gonna check out upstairs a little bit to see. Oh, up here so stay. So there's a sign. Caution. Walk, don't run. Alright. So alright, so this is where you actually go and enter the slide from. Yeah. Let's do that. Whoa, it's mad steep, man. So walk, don't run. Woo! Let's look at that. Wow. Mystic Mountain, Jamaica. Really nice. So start like the video, like up the video. Like up the video. Let's go to 10,000 likes. Recommend the place when it comes down to safety and stuff like that. Really love it. Not sure what is inside here. It's a restaurant, but we don't enter from this side. So it's a restaurant inside. This is actually the restaurant upstairs, but that door, we couldn't enter from that door, so we're going by here. Big up to my local friend them. Go and enjoy yourself, see? Yeah. That is it. Alright, so going around this side. Oh, there's actually even a photo booth. Can come and take photos and pictures right here. Nice. There's also bench for you to sit. So you can take pictures over there, man. You know, for document the experience. Yeah, mad thing. Yeah. That is it. So my friend Dale actually I try to get a shot, so we're going inside of the store a little bit to see something selling in there. Alright. Do we push or do we pull? Oh, push. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. There's music playing, so I probably have to mute the mic. Alright, sorry about that. Yeah, massive. So there music playing inside of the store, you know, so I didn't want to bother them to turn it off so I can interview them and talk a bit about them, but I just went ahead and just showcase the store. So there are a lot of goodies inside there. Love it, love it, love it inside of the store. It's really nice. So yeah, as we move along. Hummingbird attraction. Let me see. Oh, alright. Oh, this is where like hummingbirds come and drink water. There's none of them here right now. There's none of them here right now, but so you have the hummingbird. Okay. Signs there. Smoke-free environment. No smoking is permitted in the park. Alright, so there's no hummingbird at this time, but they have a hummingbird section here. Nice. Moving along. To do nature trails, please ask for a guide. So you actually can do nature walk down here. Looks like it closed for now, but yeah. Let's go. So if you hear the mic mute, it's music and you know the copyright thing go. Alright? No joke. Let's go. Alright, massive. So I'm gonna actually ask them a little bit of questions on what kind of drink is inside this? So it's mango and the cherry strawberry. Oh go. Mango cherry. So it's mango cherry and strawberry. And when I said drink, they say it's not drink, they are slushies. So I don't know some a countryman already, so I don't know a thing go. So slushies and drink. It's probably different now. I'm gonna try it, so let's see. Alright, so what really them have over on this side? Like on this side over here, just slushies and juice, water and stuff. Alright, so me see one red stripe fridge. No liquor in there?
Red stripe.
Red stripe in there.
Red stripe, sorry. And
Oh, me see one have the new thing there. That
you have rum stripe as well.
rum stripe. Yeah, massive. That's how most of the persons them are asking about on the channel. Rum stripe. Alright, so them have it up here. Me see some those are just display over there. Will look like some real hard liquor. Display. Oh, Z. Alright, big up, respect. Yeah. I have to mute the mic again because of the music. And can't show me what I'm taking picture of. What you guys taking picture of? Oh, Sonny Richards. Okay. So you guys are American? Yes. So that's your guys runner, right? Alright. So I'm actually doing a tour of Mystic Mountain right now on Jamaica walk by. So you guys are in camera showing off y'all beauties and things. Love to see y'all in Jamaica. We're in Farin you fought from? Georgia. And you too? Georgia? You guys related? Yeah, oh, it's a family thing. You guys sisters? Yeah. You too? No, you know the thing. So I'm introducing you to Jamaica Walk By. It's a channel that we showcase the natural liberty in Jamaica. So if you're overseas and you want to see the places that you want to go when it comes to Jamaica, you can go on Jamaica Walk By and you see the places I go and I'll show you the natural tour of it, drone shots as well of the place. So I give you a good synopsis of where to go when you get here. So all my persons who are watching now will see all of you guys here from Farin. You can watch yourself when you go back up, showing off, They like to see beautiful ladies, so me always have to do that. And think you want to give out your Instagram, I can turn up your Instagram if you want to shout out. So I'll take all of your Instagram and put it on the screen so persons can follow you. If you have businesses that you do, you get more supporters and stuff like that. So let's start with you. So you can see from she's searching, she's not really on Instagram to all that because alright, go on your profile. Yeah. I'm gonna give your profile a shout out. And alright. So this is your Instagram. So on Instagram it's just my stilo.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, so we got that one and we got her Instagram here is pretty_exclusive. Let me make sure we get that. Explosive, sorry. Alright, and we have what's yours? And yours now is Little Miss Pinky. So let me make sure it's right. Good. So massive you can go and follow them. They come out nice. Anybody want to big up? Anybody want to big up? No shout out.
Shout out to the birthday girl right here.
Oh my god. Alright. It's happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
Big up every time. It's my first time doing that live. Alright, much love.
Okay, we're gonna see
Jamaica Walk By. So you
to Jamaica, we can go to Jamaica
Walk By.
Tour.
Yeah. Alright, so you can follow me on Instagram too. I'm on Instagram as Jamaica Walk By.
I don't think it's working though.
Yeah. It probably signal probably rough up here. So, one subscriber at a time, one follow at a time. That's how we do it. So it's Jamaica Walk By. And I'll definitely follow all of you guys back. So yeah, that's it. That's me. Right, thank you. Oh, getting bad. Alright, no problem. So Jamaica Walk By. I'm gonna follow you and send you guys messages and let you know the link when the link is ready and I'll send it to you guys, alright? Mad love, you're cool. Blessed. So yeah, massive, you know my style already. I always like to showcase persons and all of that. I'm looking at this beautiful lady giving me such a beautiful smile. Oh my, I love it. Alright, so can you tell me a little bit about what you got here?
What I do, a person specialize in making names from A to Z. Yeah. And if somebody wants to here and want their name to be made,
Yeah.
I make it for them right on spot.
Oh, so these are some examples. Look at that massive. Wow, it's
You are just to
beautiful.
notice their alphabetical order. And that's just how I do it. And they're alphabetical order from A to Z.
Alright, so these are key rings like souvenirs
Yes,
and
these
so
are
on.
like souvenirs made like.
You mind telling me like the price for one of those?
These are like $5.
Oh, $5.
We have some for 3 for 10.
So like Jamaican, like me a Jamaican.
Well,
What currency? Where we talk?
Yeah, man, in Jamaica, we can just give one of them at the 5. You understand?
See there.
Right.
Alright, nice. So massive, come up when you come to Mystic Mountain, please to support the locals, you know, in their businesses. Come and so I see a lot of things here. So if you're here and you want one of these, you can get your name imprinted on it and so on. There's a lot of them, a lot of different colors.
Local made.
Yeah, these all of these are
All of
local
these
made.
are local made.
Nice, love it.
All local.
All local made. Oh my, nice. That look like Miss Lou.
Yeah, Miss Lou.
That is it. Alright, so what's your name?
My name is Beverly.
So Beverly?
Yeah.
So massive, when you come to Mystic Mountain, you can ask for Beverly as well.
And you see, this is my brand.
This is, oh, your brand. You're on Instagram?
Now, well, I'm getting there. Alright.
I'm gonna encourage you to go on Instagram. Alright, so persons can actually order even before they get here.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, much love and respect, alright? That is it. So massive, as we showcase Mystic Mountain, there are a lot of, you know, great icons and stuff on the walls and on boards and stuff showcasing sprint champions and stuff like that. Yeah, look at it. Wow, yeah, so that's great. That is really good, you know, and you can get to read about them. Even Melanie Walker here, a little bit about her journey. Shelly and Fraser Price too as well, you know. Sharifa, yeah, so much athletes here. Don't cost me if I don't catch all of you guys. Sharon Simpson, Diane Emmons, you know, Gillette, you know. We have Marlene Gray. Oh, it's a Merlene Atti, sorry. You don't know. She set the pace for us, even from football to cricket. They're all here. You can read about the history of all of them. You know, stuff like that up here. That is really nice. You can see the foreigners love it. Yeah. These are some great helmets too as well. More stuff about the history. So I really like here. It's like of a museum type of thing. The bobsled outfit. Nice. Yeah, this is really good. Really good. Also over here for like the cricket. Some great men in cricket and stuff like that. Awesome things. Out of many, one people with a Bob Marley photo there. Yeah. Yeah, my bro, me see I take a lot of pictures and things. You have a YouTube channel also? Oh, okay. Alright. Bless up, my bro. This area, if you want locker to be rented, you can actually get your lockers to be rented over here. Huh? Oh, Jamaica Walk By. Yeah. You do YouTube too?
No, but me always watch Jamaica
Alright.
YouTube.
Great. So one subscriber at a time. If you like, you subscribe to the channel. Jamaica Walk By. ICA and walk. Yeah, by. The by is in BY. The service kinda lay him up here, but if it got you. But you know. But it's Jamaica Walk By on YouTube. Yeah. I'll take out one of the J. too jaded there. But it would have come up anyways.
Yeah, it should have come up.
But the service is really bad up here. So, one subscriber at a time, my bro. And we can get it going.
Yeah.
If it not come up,
Yeah, man.
they can people just copy it.
Yeah, man.
That's in case I get service, just paste it back. So big up and respect for the info here. Mad love. So yeah, we're still going through. I'm not sure what is that. Oh, can I ask you a few questions? Is it this part is where you select the photos that were taken when they were coming up? Oh, okay, all right. Thanks for that. Can I ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel too as well? All right, you remember, it's easy. It's Jamaica Walk By.
Oh yeah, easy.
Easy. Jamaica Walk By. Thank you. One subscriber at a time, trying to reach at 100,000. All right. So, when your photograph is taken, you can come to one of this screen right here and search for yourself. And you can get your photos here. Nice. That's lovely. That's lovely. So this is actually the sign to show you where to go, from bobsled to everything, zipline, reggae rock, you know. Yeah. Get a detail. I'm gonna ask this lady a question. I miss question. The pictures that was taking, how they charge to get them, and so how much for?
Cashier in the corner will advise you about the person.
Okay, thank you so much. All right. So we are still on the tour. All right. Down here, I'm not sure what is down here. Probably a changing room and stuff. Yeah. You know, because I see one over there that is enclosed and stuff. So yeah, so this is like it for this part. This is where you actually leave and approach. All right. All right. Nice. So a lot of persons are here. So you can get string up this right here. Yep. So this is to climb the rock. Nice. Seems like every ride there are safety persons, you know, and instructors to explain to you what is happening. Alright. I normally never understand how these things work, but I guess it's like work like a seatbelt. Based on the pressure coming down, it hold you. Yeah. You go, mama. Yeah. I'm gonna ask you to subscribe to the channel. That way you will see this video too as well with her climbing it, okay? It's Jamaica Walk By. Alright. She's a bit scared. Alright, so yeah. I'm definitely doing this. This is for the strong and brave, you know? Yeah, strong and brave to take on the challenger. And a joke challenge this. So come take it on. I want them to make a vlog taking it on. Look away still, because I'm gonna need my 2 hands. But yeah. Bad thing. So This is where you enter from. Seems like it's pretty safe because I see kids on there and stuff like that. And you're well suited and well extremely locked in so you can't fall and drop, you know? Massive, highly recommend this place to come with your family and have fun. Yeah. So this is where you get the safety in, you know, to strap up and thing, ready for the journey. So she's gearing up for the journey, well strapped up. Probably have to sign here some stuff. I'm not sure what you sign, but safety is first. Nice, well done. Alright, so that sounds like one of them co-workers that we always just relax. Odd thing. So as you can see here, says all of the equipment thing them. You're afraid, man. You're afraid, man. Okay, I put the camera on you now, you run up and down. That is it. Mystic Mountain. So now your name for the panda shirt back here, man? Your name for the man? Your name? That you say? A Jamaica walk by still, so. But I like, yeah, Jamaica walk by. Yeah.
Yeah, man, big up on myself, you know, next time come to Jamaican link up, Jamaica walk by, is it?
That, me get all that special, that is it.
Yeah,
Martin, so the genius.
Junior Michael, is it? But them call me Jesus sometimes, is it?
Okay. A man named Michael, but then call him Jesus sometimes, and then say Christ the runner, so. Oh, now wicked enough.
Yeah, the Holy Spirit, them they run this.
Yeah, the Holy Spirit, them they run this, so. You hear them name, and man them have up here? Yeah. So, Jesus, Michael, aka Jesus. There, so. Holy Spirit, them run this, so. And Christ.
Yeah, Christ, yeah.
Big up on yourself, my bro. You know, all the feel I'm gonna probably get them name there. When the people don't go up on the ride and say, Jesus! Jesus! Christ God! Christ God! So now we just work in the name. Yeah. So if which one I part normally there?
Zipline.
Zipline. So I say, go, Jesus! Jesus! Christ!
Yeah.
Christ God!
And they say, Jesus walk with me.
Massive, I've been seeing that Mr. Here, the name Mr. come to me, you know. Say, when the people must scream out, you know, then they name Michael again, and Jesus and Christ and God and everything they name. Yeah, even though, and true, you know, because you're not, then say Jesus no protector, man. So see, man, have all like gears them to protect when they make sure so no safe. Make sure so they not drop out. Make sure so they not go fall. So all if you're not afraid, you're still secure, you understand?
Yeah, man.
Figure that. That is it. Look now, man. Mystic Mountain with it. Yo, Jesus, big up yourself.
Big up yourself, man.
Big up somebody, man.
Oh, look, eh?
Big up somebody.
Big up my good cousin over here, so Shay, you know. Yeah, man, big up Bobcat over there, you know. Yeah, man, you know.
Yeah, man, I want charge you about this, man.
Yeah.
You see it there, man? Yeah, Shay, big up yourself. Give out the Instagram.
Yeah, sir. Shay underscore.
Tell them.
Wait,
underscore Anna.
Shay underscore Anna. Yeah. Why your Instagram, Mijay?
1 underscore HEL underscore chopper.
Chopper.
Alright, sir. Alright, why your Instagram, my bro?
One big man, one real big man. I don't know.
I can hear I see on the channel and all beautiful ladies they're watching and we see all man and say, oh, them make them mute and give them Instagram and can slide and I mean back.
Say, what you think, the man, madman from the North Coast.
Alright, my bro, no joke. Alright, so big up on yourself, yeah, bro. And Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by, in time you come to Jamaica, make sure you check him out, is it?
That is it.
Run by, is it?
Ah, only thing we're not going to drive by. That is it. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah. Alright, that's up. You feel secure, well strapped in?
Yep.
That is it. Where's my bro? You feel secure like you go there, you're not going to fall or nothing?
No man, never.
Yeah, where's the Arsenal on your side? What is now, Jesus?
Arsenal for life.
Right now, what beer for you go bun for you now, you know? The man say Arsenal for life. Big up somebody now, man.
Big up. Who make big up?
Big up somebody that got gym with you, because you can't tell me that body they just make so. You all have your gym bridging there.
Alright, Chevon, Shalto.
Yeah.
Who else? Audrey from Fit Farm.
That is it.
Alright, that's it.
I mean, what the gym name?
Fit Farm.
Fit Farm, where it
Yes,
located?
Town man, Braemar Avenue. Yeah, man.
Alright, so see the way I get it. Fit Farm, a big shout out now on Jamaica walk by because of the general, what name?
Spence.
You don't know, big up Spence with him Arsenal sign. You understand, but big up every time. Yeah, my friend, and big up nobody.
God.
So far, what's your experience like up here? What's your experience like?
Be prepared to overcome your fears. Yeah.
I mean that from the start. Alright, so we're not trying everything, Zipline, Bobsled, all of them things.
Everything.
That me say to you know, every fear I left up a Mystic Mountain today. What me say, I'm a Jamaica walk by massive. So big up yourself. If you do a business, we can shout out your business, promote it for free. Yeah, any businesses, anything like that, we can shout it out. Alright, mad love. Big up all ways to everybody who willing to just talk and hold back a human vibe. See there? Them strap up and things so then safety is always up. So blessed love and respect. We just showcase a natural thing. You see you? Big up yourself. Anna, right?
Yeah.
That is it. More love. So yeah, man, see go outside. Still the Mystic Mountain. It's a vibe. Here we have a lot of foreigners as well coming in to try this place. You know, my job with them ask them a few questions as well. You don't know. It's always a vibe. We're there with Christ.
Man.
That is it. How you mean? Yeah. No joke. Blessed my G. See our next dude. Tell them every day when I see a man like this in Jamaica, I'm not just Bill, so you know. Yeah. Big up the gym now, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So you're Jamaican?
Yeah.
You're Jamaican. Which part of Jamaica you fall from?
St. Anne.
St. Anne?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. So when the man roll out with a body like this, you don't know, say, the man say health and strength and everything. Yeah. Look like you bring her in at the gym too. Don't it? You love the gym too? Mm-hmm. That is it, my bro. You're a gym instructor?
No, sir.
You're not a gym instructor? So you build some?
Just eat dumpling and yam and banana.
Alright, big up yourself, my bro. Jamaica walk by, you don't know. Big up every time. Have fun, see? That is it. Yeah. So, you hear that massive from the gym instructor say eat enough yam and banana. And you're good to go. Big up all Ocho massive. With the Mystic Mountain, you see me? No joke. It's a vibe. So we'll walk through seeing we talk with a few people, we're gonna see exactly what up here looks like and everything. Yeah. Alright. Alright. And I see, may I look for a sign to tell me what is up here? Not sure. Hi, my friend. My bro, what go on? Where this lead to? Ragamuffin? Can I like go around there and take a look and think too? Yeah, I have the band to go around this thing, but I don't want to see it. Alright, famo. Oh, so here, so, to go to the Ragamuffin. So, I go check out the Ragamuffin. Reason why I ask this question is because sometimes what I realize some of the places are actually closed off. So, it's best to just ask questions that won't hurt anybody. You know? Yeah. So to go to the Ragamuffin, you walk this way. I must say, Massive, it's the first time for me up here, so I have to ask them questions, you know? Yeah. Ragamuffin. But me know there's a mountain still, but everything up here so I have to do with height. You're up on a height, brother. Yeah. But I love how safe up here make me feel. I love that. I love that up here make me feel this safe. And me really can say big up to Mystic Mountain for the well planning organization of the entire place. Lexi down there waving. Hey! Yeah. So Massive. It is crazy up here. Just walking and talking and looking at the place make it be so exciting, and I love it here. The screamings of persons actually in the slide and on the bobsled, and yo, it's just mad. Just mad. So I guess this is the Ragamuffin deal up here already. And thing, the Ragamuffin. Massive, I'm going to try ride them on camera. I don't know how I'm going to pull that off, but I'm going to try it. Yeah. The Ragamuffin. Blessed love and respect. Big up every time. Yeah. The Ragamuffin up this side. Hey. So the Ragamuffin it long, man. It's a big ride. Massive. The Ragamuffin is a big ride, huge. Looks really nice, man. So this is the Ragamuffin. Fling around, swing around this. So look on this. Look there. Watch out, watch out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Mad thing. I'm definitely riding these on camera. No joke. Yes, man. Hey, bye. Better come back. Yeah. You're not telling bye. You're not going You're not going on there. How was it? It was great.
Yeah, it was
all right. I'm introducing it to my YouTube platform too as well. It's Jamaica Walk By. Come on, take the picture. So that way they want to be catching up on camera. I'm not sure if you go look on YouTube to catch the video. You see now. Go through good body. Ready now. Hey. I got boost her now, make sure you get the real best out of the camera. Yeah, go a little bit closer there, my friend. Go a little bit closer. Yeah, right. This one now. And you'll catch the background with a nice little vibe. Ah, chill. Yes, sir. Nice, nice. Ready, ready. Outside. Hey. Angles, my friend. That is it. Yeah. I like to see people happy, you know. Way! Yes. Spin. Whoop. Yeah. Yeah. I bad friend this, you know. She not look it, you know. She not look it. But I share the bad one, see her? You see, you look like one look up Christian like pastor that. You see, you know the thing them. I want video. Nice. Nice. Our nice friend you have here, my friend. I love it. Yes, yes. Nice friend you have. Big up on yourself here. It's Jamaica Walk By, alright? Jamaica Walk By. That is it. Instagram and YouTube, yeah. No flop. And don't forget now, yeah, right now we are talking, everything is in there. So, come and look and follow us. Jamaica Walk By. Subscribe, alright? Okay. Big up. Yeah, massive. Yeah. Yeah, me soon check on the ride. Me just go on video, you know. If me like a little smile, you give me the hug. I say, Lord Jesus, a boy, you come with the video thing, you know. Me can't bother with, but should be there on the road. Me know the thing go. Big up yourself, then I big up somebody. Yeah, you there on Instagram? You want me to give you to Instagram? Let me turn up your Instagram for you, man. Keep people then give you a little support and say, big up yourself, we see you on Jamaica Walk By, you go on. Where your Instagram go?
is it. Big up yourself, man, alright? More love, man. I like your smile you give me here. That is it. Hold on, say it again there. I'm not sure if I have to look for it and see. Yeah, no, not yet. Soon go on. First I'm going to capture some footage. You know. Dale, you go with Kadir, make Kadina can hold on a little bit.
So come join the man thing. Here? I want to come with you now. Alright, maybe just go with her now. May I have to sign up something or something? Alright, come in. Alright, yes, I can do it? Oh, I can do it right or so. Alright. So, she has signed my armband. What are you going to put on there? Ragamuffin. So, is it one ride for me? Okay. Alright, so place it on the right. So massive, and I'm going to enjoy this right here. See if I can do it on camera and thing. See if I can do it on camera. But me have to go make sure that I strap on this camera on my hand. You know them vibe there? Yeah. To make sure that I not dash it way. Or if I pass out, it's still a run. Not sure myself. Alright, so hold him sturdy and thing. Alright, ready, me G? Oh, which are they strap with? Oh, that's so. Okay, so I have my phone. Alright, I have to go. I hold it and thing. So massive, so we actually are going to experience the Ragamuffin right about now. Yeah, so it's gonna be crazy. We know this already. Oh my word. Kadina, you afraid? You don't know, not really. Alright, so. Alright. Alright, massive. Let's gear up to this thing. So we have Dale and Kadir in front of us.
Yeah, put up a flag. Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, my bro. So,
No.
hold on, me lock the zip box, you know. Alright. Yeah, man, I have to go hold it, you know. So, yeah, massive. So, we outside. We're up on the Ragamuffin. Woo! Let's do this. See my friend there with that thought earlier? Yeah. Alright, so here we go. Whoa, it's fast, man. What? Yikes! I lift up my foot thinking I lift up a while ago. Oh, jeez, okay. Yeah. Hey, man, let's make sure I hold my foot good. Yikes! You have a little kick, man. What's the. Hey, weird! There! That don't look safe! But hold on, man! What? Hold on by the phone there. What's it? Nah, man, alright? Never tell a lie, hear me? So we're up on the Ragamuffin. They have to go made already. Yeah, you know God, but today in a minute. So we're up on the Ragamuffin. A mad thing. Watch out, man. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, mad thing. Mad thing. How you think? Yeah! It's giving me a nice feeling like get up on a copter. It's like get up on a copter massive. Yeah! Kadina. Sweet. Yeah. Nothing. But like the look of kick boy give you like you just throw them and just tap on the side of round there. I mean. Round there. I mean. Round there. Yeah. This is the giant fast car. You will fully understand this. Martin. Woo! That was a rush. Yeah, massive Ragamuffin. Martin. Yes. So massive. If you're a fast car driver, that will feel like, yeah, a little pull, you know? Yeah. Elbow bumps, my friend. That is it, yeah. It give you a nice little pull and thing. Yeah. So that was awesome. But hope that catch the right way. You can carry a phone, you can video to man and thing, you're good. Take some pictures and thing. Yeah. What go on career or you stay? How was it?
Yeah.
How was it, career? It was at super speedy. Yeah. So the Ragamuffin was epic. No joke. So hold on, I go for the more video, the ATV which are them. Yeah man. So the pocket, I think me and you have the same pocket, so me and you go do this. Yeah. So massive the Ragamuffin, crazy. Yo, there's a play there, there's a eco electrical ATV. There's a, I wonder what they're under there, so. What's under there, my bro? No, they couldn't just have it as an attraction. Oh, so that means we can look? Oh, we can go through and look? Okay. Alright, bad rider. Yeah. Want to say gas? Oh, yeah. Oh, you hear that? Follow him and you might make it back. Let's do this. Outside. You mean? Yeah. Yes! Yeah, so massive. There are ATVs and stuff like that, so yo, the place shot. The place nice. But like that thing where they call Ragamuffin, the whole pull, if you drive fast car, you gotta enjoy the pull. Yeah. You understand? Yeah, so you have a lot of ATVs and stuff there where you can ride. Here's a look at the garage still. Yeah. Check the pull then. Nice. Nice. So the AVT them gone up the side there. Alright, them say we can take a look through here, say no, and go look where it goes. So yeah, maybe we take a look, why not? So massive, there's a cave. Oh, it's like Steve Irwin. You know, we're in there, they have the real big crocodiles. We have killer snakes and stuff like that. Oh my god. So you gotta look out for all these sharks and thing. If they breathe on you, you probably die. Oh my god, look at that one, it's big. Oh, Kadina, run. Oh no. So massive, we're inside, we're underneath the ground, yo. It's beautiful. So we're underneath the ground. Ah, yeah. Look at that massive anaconda right there. Massive. Oh. It's beautiful. So if you're on the taller side of life, you might want to watch your head. Yeah, so over here is a nice little spot. You probably can set up tent and enjoy yourself. Yeah. Yes, nice wooden stairs and stuff too. Wonderful. No joke. So yeah, Mystic Mountain massive. Dale, I need to make one stairs like this at home, you know. I go look on the one other one and I go make one stairs at my yard. I have to go do it myself, so that I say, I like that concept, bro. I like that concept, yeah. Get some nice big bolt for hold it down properly and thing. Yeah, definitely can make this, man. Alright, so woo, people, them pass so quick. Yeah, no more is up there. Alright, so then call this the Raga's Cave. Alright, so we're going back through it. Nice. The Raga's Cave. So massive. Remember, this is Dale Auto Source. Make him tour your make him actually source your cars and stuff like that for you. Car rental. So if you're coming to Jamaica and you want a nice car, Jamaica style, see nearly busting your head there. Yeah. You can link him up and he make you get a nice machine at your foot. For a few days. You know, 3 days are up, that's a deal. 3 days up. Yeah. So nice. I'm gonna walk here, so come, so I'm gonna walk down at the road. Yeah, down the way there. Oh, Afe! Oh, so the general said I have to walk on the rail. Respect here, my bro. Hello. So yeah. Nice. Hello. So. Down there probably be the staff area, you know. Seems like staff lunchroom and stuff like that. I'm just guessing, don't quote me on that. But yeah. Really nice. Woo-woo! Ready to have some fun? Oh no, alright. A fun time here, so you know. Here this guy. Talk to me. How was it? Rate it out of 10.
It was good.
It was great, don't it?
Yeah.
Feel like in a fast car and taking some pulls, don't it?
No.
Worse?
It feels like an airplane.
Like an airplane.
Having turbulence.
Oh. So it's like an airplane having turbulence. Alright, big up on yourself here. Mad love, respect. You can see this video on Jamaica Walk By. Alright? Mad love, respect. Yeah. So his take of it was an airplane having turbulence. That gonna scare me. You know? Yeah, cause we're looking to travel, and if he must say that gonna mash me up. Mama say me can't wait to come do some of this and do things, you know? Yeah. Blessed and respect. Here to have some fun? Sure? Going on the raga? Alright. We will hear you screaming. Yeah, man, we will hear you scream. She said she don't mind a scream. Dale, Virgin? Right, introduce him to the channel right away, man. Jamaica Walk By, my G. How is service stay? Service I run? Jamaica Walk By. YouTube, 1 subscriber at a time. Jump on the YouTube and find Jamaica Walk By. And you sit in there, you go and have some fun. And you go scream to you, know yourself. A part time. Everybody the G, dig up every time. So Jamaica Walk By on all platforms, see? Yeah, respect and manners. Jamaica Walk By, so you can actually show persons when say you come to Mystic Mountain and you can show them exactly what Mystic Mountain is like. Alright? Jamaica Walk By here. Cool, big up every time. See, respect always. Yeah. There's a lot of persons here, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I just say. I say he had bad dog.
Bad man. But she said I'm bad on me.
Yeah, massive. So it's a nice time in Jamaica. No joke thing. Yeah. The Ragamuffin, the one they name, the Ragamuffin did really nice. No doubt. But now I do, I really enjoy that. there's
Seen it on the web. I hear about this too.
two different things if you actually go on it yourself.
Actually, come here.
Yeah, true.
Right.
Alright, so me I test the bobsled, you know. Cause I want to catch the experience of the bobsled or the zip line. What can you do then? You gonna run? Alright. You want to make sure say them good at me and you can do the bobsled. I'm not gonna do the bobsled.
Do the bobsled with them.
Eh?
They're doing with career.
A while ago?
And career are doing it.
Eh? How was it? Fast. Alright.
They can go use that though, yeah.
Oh yeah, so I go use it. Oh, me never do this lady here. Alright dear, me soon found. Yeah. So somehow she did actually slip me because I was on the other side. But there are a lot more persons here doing, you know, handcrafted things and so on. I didn't want it to pass and I wanted to remember. Oh, okay, no problem, man. No problem. She was just explaining to me that it's not her right now, but it's somebody else. I realize some of these is on my hand. I love them. Love them. So you can get them here. Yeah. See, I got some. I don't remember the Instagram name that I got them from. I'm so sorry about that. But promotion is key. So you can, when you come to Mystic Mountain, you definitely can come and get your souvenir or get your jewelry and stuff here. Blessed love. What's the name of the persons who actually own this? Oh, Miss Candy. So when you come here, you can ask Miss Candy. Ask Miss Candy and they will lead you and show you where Miss Candy is. And you can come and get these souvenirs and jewelry and pieces and stuff like that. Alright? Big up and more love, okay? Man, that is it. And over here, you actually see her already. So you guys support them. Support our locals. No joke. We have to endorse that and blast that. You understand? Now come up here, support the locals. In? Alright. Alright, see generally I'm talk a bunch of things, but you see my theme place. Kevin. Alright, see your name badge. We can record it. Eh. 20,000 a 50 me want.
50,000.
Yeah. A 50,000 me want. Someone say right now. Yeah. I make it stay about 20. Or me for second 20 and me can get more. All I mean. So massive, anyone Jamaica walk by me all natural. Big up Kevin over there, so. Me rate him, he sound like one general like myself. You understand? So right now over Mystic Mountain, me see the man have a bunch of artifacts. Me definitely I go take off 2 souvenirs off of him. Some people might have said a souvenir, but to me, me use most of them too. Yeah. 420. Alright, see them mad. Look at that, man. Look at these things. Bingy, watch out, man. Oh, how you mean? So see then a man Kevin no played Kevin up that's so Kevin are on Instagram?
Yes, brother.
Alright, me make you give out the Instagram. Watch out. Ooh. How you mean? Look at that. How you mean? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So massive Kevin, why your Instagram? Tell me your Instagram. See if I can find your Instagram. So massive Kevin have a barrage of things here. See? Them handcrafted. Oh yo, Jano. No joke. Look at that turtle to snake bag, everything. We have a jellyfish, parrot, alligator. You understand? Crocodile, everything you have. Look at them things here. Superb things them have up here. No joke. Yo, Kevin. So we are waiting for Kevin now to give out him Instagram so we can give him a shout out so persons can actually go on his page and look at some of the things them that he has. And you can pre-order if you know you're coming to Mystic Mountain, so he can make sure he can do it for you, or if he not already have it. You understand? I mean, always endorse and blast my locals them. I can't push for the foreigners them every time and don't endorse the locals them in the mix. You see me? So yeah man, that's your Instagram.
Yes, brother.
Alright, so Ela, open again. Yeah. Click on the page, let me show you. Alright. Yeah, come on, press the X. Press that X there.
Right back up there.
Alright, so it is. See there?
Kevin Carter Lars.
Alright, that is it. I got it. I put it on screen. See? So big up every time, my bro. Oh yeah, you see right there, so we're there now. Yeah, no, see. You see picture down there, so? Yeah, Jamaica walk by.
Where have you already, man? Where on your thing, man? Where you say?
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Alright, go back a while ago to on your front page. I'm sure you have to show your profile. Yeah, man, that is it.
Yeah, man, they did it,
So,
man.
if I
Kev Carter last.
alright, that is it. So big up my bro. Definitely I go see this on the platform and all of that too. And I'm gonna tag you, see? Mad thing, mad respect. So we are going to have some fun, CXP. Take care, mommy. That is it. Thank you. Yes, sir. Yeah? Alright, where is that? Oh, probably locked down. Oh, okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we catch it already. Long time. Yeah, man. So, massive right here. So, you have the ATM machine. So, if you low on cash, you can always come and draw money. Yeah, you can come with the card, they have an ATM machine up and running. So, not to worry about that. If you don't have cash, you can forward. See how the ATM is working. Yeah, no joke. So, we're still going. As I said, I'm telling you from before, so it's a long video. I told all of you that's a long video. Oh my G. Now to go to the bobsled, there's a long line. Long line for the bobsled. So yikes. I wonder how much persons can go on at the same time. I'm not sure yet. But yeah. Alright. So while we wait on the bobsled, I probably so around there you have the restroom area, so you can always use the restroom while you're here. That is it. Hold on, I'm not sure how many persons go out at the same time for the bobsled. Could be a whole lot, I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit to see how this clear off and persons start going on there. Mystic Mountain. Alright, so the line here is a bit long, so I am going to check out the Zipline in the meantime. I'm going to check out the Zipline in the meantime until the line there is free up. I'm going to check out the Zipline. I know I'm going to ride the Zipline. So let me see if I can enjoy the Zipline with all of you. Hello. Yo, the place I get full up. Yeah, so yeah. So the place is a bit full right now and things, so there's a line. Actually, there's actually a line for everything. There's actually a line for everything. So zip line. I am going to go on the zip line right about now and bring it to everybody live and direct. So, let me ask you now, what the ear net for now? Eh? Oh, sanitary purpose. Okay, alright. So, massive. Just as me reach us all. So, we have Jesus, we have Christ, and disciples then. So, yeah, which one now? Bob. Junior Bob. Alright, not Junior Biles, Junior Bob. Yeah, yeah. So, Junior Bob approached me and said, yeah, the man where we always are hearing voice and can't see him face. Start showing me face now, man. Them are killing me now. I said, they want to see me. So, I have to start showing them. So, you know where I go and big up yourself. Right. Mad thing. I wish Jimmy you go. Galaxy Fitness. You must feel good now, because somebody see him and say, look like a gym at work. It's a show. So big up every time to Junior Bob. You don't know, me already see Anna over there so and things. So me actually check out the Zipline. So Famo, you know what I want. So you can actually see live now. We checking out the Zipline. So massive the place kinda get crowded and thing. Big up every time, my bro. Where you from? Brooklyn. Big up all Brooklyn massive no man. Them out here have a good time and thing. She over there so start hide from the camera. In her tall here, you go on. Alright. So me actually go actually record the Zipline live on camera. I go me the dash it way. Yeah. Yeah, so I don't know that one. Everybody are gonna know him, because him name Jesus, you know. So Jesus, strap me up, come here, I take it on live here. Jesus Christ, God. See man a wine me up. When me saying that we wine out. When me say, wow, fix it. It's a wine. Alright, when we say Jesus. What me say?
Say what, honest.
Oh, alright, can you put on, no. So, Brooklyn, you're from Brooklyn too as well? Alright, I'm introducing you to the channel. It's Jamaica Walk By. Alright, you mind giving out the Instagram? I'll give you a shout out.
Sure.
What's your Instagram?
Life w.precious. Life w.precious.
Alright, life w.precious. Alright, big up all Brooklyn, man. This guy, what's your Instagram? Let me give you a shout out.
My little daughter, my picnic.
Oh, yeah, what's your Instagram?
Audio at its best.
Oh, audio is the best.
Audio
so you're here with your daughter, your family?
Yeah. Audio at its best.
Alright, that is it.
Any type of installation.
Alright, so check out the Jamaica Walk By my page too.
Gotcha.
I don't know. You're supposed to, from the say you greet me, you know, say, man, you watch YouTube and thing, don't it?
Yeah.
That is it, man. So introduce the entire family. Big up all Brooklyn massive. Where in Jamaica on the phone from? Montego Bay. Big up all Montego Bay massive. This is your wife?
Yeah.
That is it. How you mean? Come outside the family. I'm here with my family too as well. The son?
Yeah.
So you're with the son and your daughter?
Yeah.
That is it. So everybody from Brooklyn. How you mean?
Yeah.
Come through and come have fun. I mean, we like that generally and it remind me of me, you know. Jamaica Walk By. That is it. Hey, figure that?
Yeah, figure that.
Figure that? That is it. How you mean? Blessed. Oh, so massive, let's take care of some water. Come on, water, can give me?
Come again.
Eh?
Me go to the ask now how much for the drinks and the water. You know them say here so expensive, but me say yeah, you know.
Yeah.
You now get it like at the wholesale price. That's
Yeah.
romantic price. Guess how much you want water?
How much for water?
5 bills.
Massive.
That no.
500 off on water. Jesus Christ. Food.
Maybe $500. And
I can make some more.
Guess how much you want flat?
How much shit?
5 bills.
Massive, I saw my girl look out for me, you know?
How many are thirsty? You want the water in your pocket or no?
Can't go carry. I go on the Zipline now. So, I soon come. I do the Ragamuffin away.
Not go with you. I'm not doing none of them.
Alright, we soon come here. Alright. Blessed respect, my bro.
Brother.
That is it. Where you from?
Toronto.
Toronto. You said Toronto. We said Toronto.
Toronto.
Yeah. So big up aside, you're actually in tune to Jamaica Walk By right now at Mystic Mountain. Anybody want to big up?
Shout out my mom.
Yeah.
You already know.
So you're here with your family?
Yeah.
Yeah, entire family.
Brothers and their girls.
Oh, your brothers and their girls.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, that is it. What's a better way to enjoy Jamaica, man? Eh? So, which one is yours? Oh, she over here. Oh, you mean? What about you? Where's yours? Oh, she's right here. Oh, you mean? That is it. Him is over there. Ah, mad love, mad respect. So, all of you are from Toronto. Yeah, big up all Toronto massive. You guys know Christmas List?
Christmas list?
Yeah, he's a big YouTuber from Toronto.
No.
Yeah, he's from Canada there. It's Christmas Day. He's the one he came to Jamaica the other day. He tends to go all over the place to some of the most dangerous places and stuff. I'm going to let you check him out. For a white guy, he walking up and down in the toughest place in Jamaica like he's... I'm like, bro, I live here and I don't even go there, man. And they're like, well, I'm going. That's him, you know. So big up Christmas List. And you guys having fun so far?
Yeah.
You going to Ragamuffin already?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was alright. Somebody said it felt like a plane having turbulence. What's your experience?
It wasn't as bad as a plane turbulence.
Yeah, so you have to miss a plane turbulence better than that?
No, worse.
First, plane turbulence is worse?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, that was soft.
Bro, I haven't traveled as yet, you know. What you do to me?
What?
I haven't traveled as yet. And you're telling me that the plane turbulence is worse than that?
Yeah, that was not bad.
Next to me now, Badago. I'm good right here. So, alright, what about the trip to come up here?
That was the worst.
That was amazing.
Nah, that was the worst.
This guy saying that it was the worst.
That was the worst, yeah.
To come up here, sometimes even it stop, I'd be like, whoa.
It stops and the wind is blowing. You're passing the towers and it's like...
I guess what? There's no way of coming back down and saying like, listen, I walk. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. Yeah, so you're on Instagram?
Instagram?
Yeah. What's your Instagram? Let me give you a shout out.
It's at F2PML.
Okay, alright.
Yeah.
What about you? Are you on Instagram? No? What about you, my bro? Come on, man. Where you gonna put all your memories at?
I don't know. Twitter.
Twitter? You don't put memories on Twitter, man. What about you, my friend?
Me?
You on Instagram?
Yeah, if you want some tattoos, you come to Toronto from Jamaica.
See what I'm talking about there, man. Free promotion, man. How you mean? Alright, so
J.OD tattoo.
say that again.
JAY.OD tattoo.
See, let's say if you're in the Toronto area and you want to look like this. Here when Carter say, clean like my wash my face with the cake soap. I ain't got coloring book. Yeah. See that? Coloring book. Show some of your work.
This is not me, but it's good.
Yeah. Alright, see that, but for you are wearing that means that you're standard, don't it?
From the 50.
What? Look on 50 cent. 50 cent per foot. G-unit. That is it. So in the Toronto massive, Toronto area, make sure you check out this guy if you want the original tattoos. Them big up all massive from Toronto. See? How much tattoo you got?
Thanks, brother. No, only 1, 2.
Only 2.
Only a 1, 2.
Let me-
A 1, 2, 3.
Oh, see that? Simple thing. Alright, that is it. She must be like, yo, he talks so fast. What is he saying? I don't understand. I don't know. How do you guys understand him? What? I'm just working on her face expression. And that's what I'm getting. Oh my God. I don't know nothing that this guy is saying. Alright, big up every time. Hope you guys have fun, alright? That is it. It's Jamaica Walk By, alright?
Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica Walk By. Yeah.
On YouTube?
On YouTube, Instagram, and all platforms.
Okay, cool.
TikTok, everybody, alright? I'm gonna make sure your tattoo business on the screen. Persons can actually go over your page and check you out, alright?
Yeah, thanks, bro.
Blessed Lord. Thank elbow bumps, the man. That is it. Huh?
You're gonna get a
No,
commission.
man, that's fine, man. I want to make all the money. And you just send some persons to come and subscribe and watch my videos. So when you want to come to Jamaica, this is the channel you watch to see where all the nice places are at and stuff, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, I see the natural vibe. So you will know that this guy ain't faking. This thing is for real. This guy just came up to us and we were just there chatting. You know? Yeah.
Show, man.
That is it. Good to see you guys here.
Thanks for everything.
That is it. We still have all the corona protocols, you know, elbow bumps, seat then a man. That is it. Outside. Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. Yeah. Jesus! Come in, Jesus! And you put on the honest fight thing. So, mama, Jesus, me I go call.
Not more. Let's go, guys.
So, my name is Christ.
Now, wear yourself.
Yeah.
Check out already. I go on or 1 hour.
2 hours. So, yeah. All Toronto massive, big up. It's a vibe. Me want to go on the Bobsled, but the Bobsled kind of full up a while ago, so I'm just have to work with the Zipline for now. Deal Auto Source massive again, you know me general. I have a whole of the car them for your buy and all them thing there.
Yes, yeah, man. Just hold on upon him.
Yeah.
Slim and stick, man. That's strength actually say have my got gym this.
Yeah.
I feel like this man with the shirt.
With the shirt. Jeez, I said I box up. So massive safety first, so you know the thing goes strap up and thing. Yeah. That one strong one to finish.
No man, wear yourself, man.
Alright. So
before we look long, we look for you to do the demo. You're gonna hide. Or you feed your stomach.
oh, more equipment down there, so now. Alright, so foot through this, so.
And the other left foot through yourself.
Other left foot through that one? Oh, right, through
same thing as two left foot. Pull it up your waist with that. Now you have to do it to the foot cam and you pull this and you pull that.
I'm going to make you hold this, I'm going to deal it. Alright, so. Oh, put it, we can still have on the bag, I'm not sure? Yes. Yeah, man. Alright. Up there. Oh, so I'm going to hold it.
Right, we have to carry back them brother. Alright. If you carry them back, we can lift them on the
You're mad? Never come back, man. I'm there, my family. We go let you come back and not see me. Show me going now. Alright, so. Still has up down.
pizza, I'm kind of want.
Alright, yeah, I'm hold
that one.
Oh, hold that so?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, try to carry back in about no look like you don't want to.
No want to come back, you know? No want to reach back. Alright, cool, thanks, boss. Hey, deal? No want to reach back. Me never hear nobody no reach back up here yet.
So why you want to be first?
No, me not be first. Me not so lucky. Me never win nothing yet. Me not so lucky. Oh. Me never hear of nothing go wrong up here yet.
Alright.
So, me sure say me a come back. Me not so lucky. Yeah. Dark wave, nothing go so. Yeah. Where's the deal already? Yeah. I respect my bro. Me never hear of nobody when I come back. Yeah.
We never hear.
No, I hear.
We never hear. So, we're there. We're there, massive Mystic Mountain. We are up on the Zipline and we are capture the entire journey like you never seen it before. Yo, the workers them up here cool. Me rate all of them so far. Oh, see them? More string up. Boy, I look like me don't want to come back for two. So, oh, this go run through the hand. So, oh, my next hand, well, it's strap on for me under there. So, alright, yeah. Yes, how is this? Alright, so. Oh, more. What do you mean? The massive well string up. Whoa, let me fix this. So, as you can see, well string up. Well string up. Safety first. You hear that? So, yeah. So, now what we do? Wait. Which way we go? Oh, alright. So. Voilà. Which way we go with the Zipline again? Which way? That way. Oh, so. Oh. So massive. So we actually will zip up and thing and we go into the zip line. Yeah. So as you can see, well. See boy Jesus there. So me know me not scream and call out to Jesus this time. Yeah. No joke. Oh, you mean?
Long time I do that there, we don't have to do it again.
Jesus, me push this through this. Make sure the camera well secure for my hand. Yeah. What we do? Check again and make sure. Alright. You don't mind neither, no? You don't mind neither. So. Yeah. Massive, make sure so now hear me clear. So we're well strap up. We just go down on the stairs, yeah. And thing. Yo, that's the best steep, you know, brother. Steep piece of stairs, you know, man. So I'm sitting there on deal. Serious piece of stairs. January, so Zipline. So we don't explain why they call him Jesus. Because everybody come up here, so when they swing off a Jesus, then call him Jesus! Christ, God! So him say nobody name or name again, because everybody call him Jesus. Yeah. So instructor down there, so I explain what's supposed to happen. Yeah. So, the guy was saying that at the end of each line you don't worry about stopping, you just continue until the bus off and pop off. So he says nothing like that, he will stop. He will stop, you know? Yeah. So and there he goes.
So just do what he did.
Just run it.
Just run it. Nervous, nervous?
Well, me not gonna tell you no lie. Me nervous. Me nervous bad. Watch out this. What is that? What is? What? So I don't even have a difficulty. Alright, what I'm going to do, let me catch a few of them. Bigger look past my bro. Let me catch a few of the persons who. These hands here, bigger look past. Let me. My bro, bigger look run. Let me catch some of you guys jumping off to the point where there is no return.
Wait!
You realize I don't work.
So all massive, remember the channel Jamaica Walk By if you want to see yourselves getting thrown off this.
We'll be watching that.
Hey, sit up! Yeah.
To watch Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica Walk By, I mean. Yeah. You see your face? Me see scream already, you know. Yeah. Big boss, you say screaming? Screaming? Don't think I go scream.
I'm gonna scream.
Y'all go scream?
Because it's fun.
Yeah, that is it. So remember guys, when I hear the female screaming, it's fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
Who can attest to that?
Have fun.
Alright, in here, big up every time. That is it. Yeah. So the channel is Jamaica Walk By. I'm asking you guys to make a 1 subscribe. You don't know, you see what I go on. If you don't want to see more nice places in Jamaica like this, you tune in to Jamaica Walk By and you'll know where to go. Alright, we all natural. This guy said name Jesus. And he was given this name right here, so we have up there, we have Jesus, we have Christ, we have him disciples and everything. I guess you don't see how him getting name. Hey! Yeah. Whoa. What do you mean? You ready?
Code red! Code red!
So no break. Now nobody can stop it. And them have to stop it down there.
Yeah, you know. You ready? You sure?
No.
Why? Sit. You got this, girl.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, we're going after 3, okay? No, I said after 3. After 3. Oh, come on.
She did scream, bro.
Ready, man? Put your hands on the ankle bar. Yeah. Gonna sit. Lift those legs up, bro. There you go, man. Good, Mr. Miami. Man. Sit, Mr. Miami.
First class ticket.
We out.
Outside.
I never said, no. I never said
That's not what you told me?
That's not what I told
I
you.
thought that's what you said. You're not scared. You're the brave one. Oh,
Not scared. Whoa.
legs up, ladies.
Whoa.
No, wait. Stand back up. Stand back up. Take your foot off the brakes. Press the gas. No, wait. Oh. Then you fix it.
Bro, you literally hear every one of the sound come right back to the tree.
Watch the one, yeah. What?
Yeah, my G. I wonder how far it. Lord of mercy.
Stopping is a must. One guide over there to stop it. The guide is
If you can't stop yourself.
Fun. Yo, fun.
Yeah, this one you don't need the gloves, right? To stop yourself, right?
This one is a VIP one, you know? Yeah. No, what? You sure?
The one they put, the one they lock. So, I'm look a friend family leave you now.
Yeah,
so,
man.
we are going to find out if you are going to scream.
Nah.
I know I should have done it. I don't know any other end. I should have done it.
I did this.
You did this already? Alright.
I did it with the gloves. He got the gloves. You got to hold your hand. And you stop it with the glove.
You do what you have to stop it?
Yeah.
What?
You have to like pull it
You got to pull it down.
You have to pull it down and stop it? Hell nah.
Good, Precious?
Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Please, baby, go and like the video. Go and like the video. Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Yeah. No joke, no doubt. Outside! You spin! Mom! Alright, so. And Instagram, also TikTok.
Yeah,
but this full video will be on YouTube.
Yeah, way back.
Yeah, so I guess everybody down here, I saw them, they're still alive and kicking. Well,
Hard pumping.
so,
Alright guys,
how was it?
Great.
It was great. It was a real rush, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, only thing I feel like I wish it was a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. It was great. It was so good. Oh, Jesus reach.
Legs shaking a little bit, but it's alright.
Good to go. Yeah. Oh, there's more.
5 more, 4 more.
4 more?
Yeah. What? So it's not short.
It's not short, yeah.
Mexico had 10 up in the air.
Up in the ear.
Yeah.
You hear that massive? Yo. Woo. Yeah, man. Outside. Up in the bush. Trust me, it's crazy.
Good stuff.
Yeah, really.
yeah, do not do this. Okay? What, huh? No, don't, no!
Oh my God. Yeah. It's a vibe. So we're up in the woods and we're ziplining. This thing seems to be well solid. Grounded, it don't even budge. Seems like they drilled it inside of stone or so. This look firm, it don't even rock. Man. It's a vibe. Yeah, so now as we're showing an angle going down from front, so we're showing my reaction already. Yeah. Yeah. That is it. Woo! What do you mean? Yes. 2 or 3 of them. Mad thing. We outside.
I'm a boss, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, bro, bad thing. What? Right away.
One box, brother.
Body box.
Alright, I say I heard. So don't make a weak out can't go Zion enough.
You hear that? Weak out can't go Zion. We outside?
Yeah.
Let's jump out down there.
Yes, sir.
Bad thing. Yes.
You see me there reason with your
This is a reason with him, but I'm not afraid enough. Because I'm there with Jesus and Christ.
Stand up on the back.
Oh. So I say, who shall fear? I will not fear. But there with Jesus and Christ. So good to go. How you mean? Outside. Yo, when they grow up, I want to have job like them, brother.
Right? Exactly.
I feel them job I when they grow up, you know.
So you go.
Like them, what you mean?
Alright guys, give yourself a round of applause for making it this far, okay?
Woo!
Normally we lose 1 or 2 by now, but you guys are doing great.
They got the right people to do this.
What you mean? That is it. So, what is that to have a job that you actually love?
Right?
That is awesome. You understand? You know, based on the experience coming here from we started. I think the workers are actually excellent. I like the pleasantness from the entrance to straight here having fun, and you can pretty much just ask them anything and they would actually assist you and just tell you, even if it's not their area of work, which is great. You understand? And I see a lot of persons actually seconding what I'm saying, but yeah man, them there and they look at them, love them job and them make it fun. You know, they have a little style, they make a twist to it, we make it really nice. So yeah, kudos to all of the Mystic Mountain workers, them, the employees, staff, you know. Make sure so we have a good time. Great, we're out, we soon come back.
Father.
Yeah, go, yeah, make a flip man, bust a back flip.
Yeah, try it.
You see I go back flip. My thing.
Got it? Why you not smiling?
Fear.
So scared?
No.
Oh, wait. No, we're out there. Better not to show up more than I don't move. Hold on.
Yeah. So we're on leg number 3. Yeah.
Step up, brother. Outer road.
Alright, so we're up on leg number 3 as I tell you before a while ago.
Leg number 4, that one.
Leg number 4 this. Leg number 4.
Yes, sir.
So step up on the block. Yeah.
Okay, do one and you do second and third this time.
A real thing, a true.
You got your counter ready.
And that me I say man, don't.
You all a try back count in
Also,
number them but do it again.
Good to go. Shoot me after now man. What I mean? Pull up. You mean one speed. Speed. Woo! Speed road, 360, yeah.
Alright,
done that. Done.
No man, I have one more for the man. Tell us what the box.
That is it. Yeah. Mad thing. Yeah. One thing you know, so I'm rate up for safety. Me not up here and be like, afraid. Yeah. No joke thing.
Sorry, you can't let you go now here. Can't let you go now, man. Left by the leave by the barrel.
And in case of 1 million.
I mean, I'm catching my spot at yes, man. Yes. Look at this now. So, this is actually, you have to really lock on yourself, but they're gonna walk down it and it's rocking and things like that. So it's, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh my? Don't them man, but they don't want to do this.
It's smart because it's smart cause.
Yes, yeah, rocking and all stuff but sitting along there. So watch the man, we attack it. Go. Yeah. So massive, even though we have a gimbal, it's a bridge thing, but then make sure they strap the top. See? Then strap the top. So you probably not have to really hold on to the bobsled there. Yeah. Mad thing. So it's a vibe. I like this, they make it so different, you know?
Yeah.
But actually go one place and actually, let's say, I feel like I get my money's worth. And I love that. I feel like I get my money's worth. Alright.
Yeah.
What you mean? See there? Up in some tree with it. Woo! up in some tree. So we kind of look on the bobsled truck. So 1 million I start good on. Yeah. Massive, I'm telling you. If you have not experienced this as yet, I'm imploring you to try this. Seems like a lot of money Mystic Mountain invested in this place based on the setup. So maybe that is why it is so expensive. Look at where we're standing right now. Look at that. So we're actually on a bridge. Yeah, this guy will go up on the bobsled. So then seatbelt here inside of it though.
Allowed to stop and take pictures. Just yesterday says still a bit wet, so you're not allowed to touch. Okay, motion picture. Yeah. Next person coming across and give you a lift. Don't worry. Go. Ready?
All right. Embed. Man.
I can't control the two from going left and right.
I say you can't control it from going left and right.
Much less upside down.
Look at she done just a behave a screw, just a cruise go down here.
Hold it down. Can't hold the brake.
Oh, you can see it and there hold the brake. Can't hold the brake. What you think me go up on this? Can't hold the brake. Oh, so people with in front of you.
See the brake?
Yeah. So you will lick up in a person's?
They might go slow like she.
You have to probably wait upon them.
You have to go fast.
May I wait a little distance so then can go on.
I don't want to basically catch up to you.
Yeah. So yeah, Massive. It's great. Alright, so Massive with there, deal. Meet her down there. Alright, so Massive a while ago me give you one close up one. So we're there with the next general and we're going to give a front way view, you know, going down. That one, this is the longest one?
Yeah, man. 2 days Jamaica time.
Alright, so this is the longest.
170 meters.
170 meters.
Yeah, man.
So Massive, even though we're in a tree, see there, then make sure harness you onto the tree while you come over to this side of the store guide. Bring you. So climb up on your stool. You see that a while ago I bump my head? And luckily I have on the helmet. And I bump my head now, so see it, safety first. So you stand up on this lever here. Yeah.
Wait for the buzzer.
And you wait for the buzzer. See it there? Well up. Oh, that's the one that's to go here now.
Ready? Yeah, man.
Alright, so don't know your quad down. Shoot me off! We're done there, Massive. Check it out. Woo! Crazy. Woo! Mad thing.
But you have to eat 2 more dumplings if you're like.
Yeah, man. You have to eat 2 more dumplings.
Yeah.
Hey, look, one finger banana on here.
Amaga people eat the most food, my bro. And then eat all other things too.
How are you talking?
Just a sec.
I don't know that.
Just a sec.
Yeah, talk to yourself.
Me just a sec.
Alright.
Me just a sec. Me just a sec. So, I saw it thing go.
So, talk to yourself.
Me just a sec.
Me just a say, talk to yourself.
Everything will take off.
Alright, so. That's all me say.
Oh yeah, this is the road.
Wait a minute, bring them up. Yeah. No, that's all.
Yeah. So, I pull out the harness. Alright. Woo! That was a vibe.
I got 5 million wish play with it. I got 5, Micah. What's it now? I got it. This way. Thank you.
Alright. Hold on the deal. Now look at me. Always steer yourself.
Let's get my phone.
Alright, sir. Alright.
Yeah, don't on them back up.
Don't on back up.
Mikey.
I don't know the chap go. Big up on yourself, yeah, my bro, no go and do it.
Bad bro.
Big up. So,
Yeah, man.
see some of my G them, yeah. G them, yeah, make sure say the ride, yo, why?
The tour.
We're gonna make sure say the tour, and then make sure say the tour is worth it. You know, the vibe, the energy. So big up to them, G, yeah. Mad respect.
Yeah,
You don't
man.
know them name out there on the Instagram, on the screen. So you can see them Instagram. You want to yell them up and say, yo, and Ray, and you know the chap go. Give them a link. So, alright, see. And next. It's a road. Alright, see you there. Jump on. And we lock up. Yeah.
Big up,
Respect
yeah.
my bro. Outside. Yeah, so we sit down back in the but then call this again. Don't remember then call this, but yeah, nice. Yeah, massive. So we just finished the zip line and we're actually on the, I don't remember then call us something again, you know. But we depend on that chair something again where I got carry away down to the hill foot, right? And then we're gonna go on the one that is above this. One above this for go back up to the mountain. You see me? So it's been great, it's been crazy, like love it, the experience of the zip line, the shot. What you experienced so far, dear?
Yeah, man, the experience is great, you know. The experience is great so far, man. Trust me, really enjoy it, but this thing is creeping me out. I like the pants thing in the ear, you know?
Yeah. Most people, massive, most people, this is what they not like. That's something up.
Yeah, it's creeping me.
What if you carry you up and down from the venue? You understand? Yeah, so next time you see me forward again, we are going to actually show you we heading back up and thing. So it's been great, it's been awesome. Mystic Mountain Safari, you're not disappointed, but under the food, boy. You have to come with them $500. 5 bills for one bottle of water, be. And out the road, $100 for one bottle of water. So $100 for one bottle of water out at the street. Up by Mystic Mountain here, one bottle of water is for 500 Jamaican dollar. I think personally that is ridiculous. Super ridiculous. Because it is not cheap to go inside a Mystic Mountain and then to go buy water for $500 a bottle. Rubbish. You understand? And we not buy food yet. We not buy food yet, so you know how that go. So you shall hear about it with that. So right now I feel like say, if you hear say somebody got Mystic Mountain and don't make it back down, a starvation and dehydration, because you're not going to spend the $500 there to buy one bottle of water, be. And you can't come in with no food or say I go sneak in some, because them are going to search you when you reach. When you reach them, search you and search your bag, make sure you have food and water and them thing there, you see me? So me not like that. So if me da go give Mystic Mountain 10 out of 10, then would have to get 8 because of the food situation. That little 2 they want that need to go 10 out of 10, me have to take it back. No joke. Alright, what's your experience on it like? Where you went at the Ragamuffin? You're not going to what make? Oh man. Alright, so massive. We're trying to go check out the ATV. Want to go up on the ATV, so let's see if. So you have to come back up this side to go on the ATV. As I said, the zip line a while ago, the zip line was crazy. And then the journey back, so I'm gonna capture the entire journey back because you see that from in at the beginning. Yeah. I wonder if I wait them, I wait for the ATV. Yeah. Did y'all try out that? Did y'all make the walk? Yeah, I did. I'm asking them if they actually walk through it. I'm asking if they walk through it. To go on the ATV, we have to wait. Wow, no, it's bad ride them already. You must be mad. I'm gonna capture that.
When I get to that.
Only thing that me not get to capture yet, so.
Capture it, man.
So,
man.
yeah, man.
You can't do it, man. You're not diamond. There's a diamond for all of it.
So they never tell me that.
You know, tell me all access. So now when drivers eyes upon him?
Yeah.
So just go on that one and show him and tell him to on Saturday.
I never know that. How much more you pay?
So how long ago did? 10.
That word. Okay, dog. No wonder they didn't tell me about that.
That means you're not pay 50. You should have tell me that.
ATV no come with that. Okay.
So that's what they said that's good.
Alright, so I feel like I'm a little bit disappointed because I really want to do the ATV. Or I realize we never pay for that the package. So we pay for your all access package where we think entails everything, but actually the ATV is a different package where you have to pay an additional $10,000 to get the ATV to ride in the bush and bunch of things, additional 10,000 Jamaican dollars to do that. That wasn't explained to me, so I never know about that. So that kind of look weird. I'm kind of disappointed about that because I really want to do this as a part of the tour. So for me to do that, I have to go back on a long ride there, go straight back down at the front to go pay for that the package and then come back up again to try to do this. The place almost closed. About 5 o'clock the place closed. So that kind of beat me. So we can't get to do this. The Eco ATV. Them, so I'm sorry about that. I have no experience of that. So I don't know what else to say. So it is kind of rough. I'm very much disappointed that I can't get to do that. So for now, I just have to go try do the bobsled and make gonna enjoy that. So no ATV. Sorry, I never get to show on that, but maybe one next time around, I can just come here and just do the AVT, yeah. Yeah, you get it. By itself. But my vex. So maybe next time I know I have to go pay for that. And then they say you have to book it online. So it's kind of weird. So everybody would anticipate to see that. We're not going to see that today.
Oh.
Alright. So as we're here waiting to go on the bobsled, you know, it's kind of, the line is always long. So I've been here for a few minutes waiting to go on it. It's mad long. A lot of persons actually come by Mystic Mountain. We're trying to make sure it works, you know, but still waiting. I'm like about maybe a full person in the line to go on it. So next time you will actually see me actually going on it. So yeah, let's do this. Alright, so I'm next in line to do this thing, so let's get it on. You understand? Alright. So my ride that I follow now. Alright, my G, let me strap on this. Alright, so my machine this I know. So you don't know, yeah, my G. See, take it longer. Foot. Safety first. Seat belt. Alright, so yeah. These are the brake. Alright, massive. So we're in a machine. Inside the machine. So hand on the lever. Alright. So
So forward to go back to sunrise. Keep
Okay.
controls forward at all times. Only time you should pull back unless somebody's ahead or a stop sign.
Alright.
No matter what, keep your controls forward all the way, right?
Alright.
Alright.
That name gas.
Yes, dog.
Yes. Alright, sir.
Drive it like it's
Want him go on a little further.
Yeah, I get hold for space. Just hold it up.
Alright, so once you back it this way, you get a brake. And when you push it forward, a gas. You understand? So massive, we have, see track there? And we have a pool. And one and me I go and mash up a machine with right now.
Push it forward now.
So push it forward.
Yeah.
Alright. So massive, we outside. So a full throttle me I go with, you know. Full speed ahead. You see me? Yes! The legs there. Let's do this! So see them massive a gas we are dealing with. Gas. Check your road now, man. Yeah. Machine. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yes. Yes. Whoop, whoop. See them buck. How you mean? Yes. 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 Now we are done the track. That's the thing. No brake. Yes. Whoop, whoop. How you mean? Yes. Over it. Yes. Straight. Man. Yes. So me are dealing with it. How you mean? A fast car me drive. Yes. Yes. You mean? That's slow down. Man. Yes. Mad car now. Yes. Yes. How you mean? Yes. More speed. How you mean? Yes. Yes. How you mean? I look I see me area. More speed. Yeah. More speed. Blue sky. Machine. Yeah. What I say? Bossy. Oh, you mean? Gas out there. Mystic Mountain. Straight trot up. So massive, that was a epic run of the machine. Full speed ahead. No brake. Nor nothing. The ride was epic. Epic. If you want to go faster, you can always pump it like this. And then run up the hill a little faster. You understand? Yeah, so see that? Yeah. That was amazing, bro. Yeah, you can actually pump it and it go up a bit faster. So if you don't know, now you know. Because if you look, you can go catch him up. So the faster you pump it, you go up it faster. You see me? Yeah. Mad thing. Yeah. No joke. Yeah. Woo! That was a rush. Massive a fast car I'm driving now. I normally have a 2008 Honda SI supercharge and boost on K20 engine. Mad thing, bro. So you know, say that little rush there a while ago was just epic for me. Yeah. So to all of the massive them, that was crazy, that was great, wonderful. Woo! I think so far this is the best ride of the day. This is the best ride of the day, the bobsled. So if you're tall, your foot go right there. So if you're short, you know, you have more space if you want a more thrill like this. You know? Yeah, see it there? Yeah, no joke. So we are going, you know, and think, oh, it was great. Whew. That was a run. Love it. So right now we're just basically cruising on the truck, going back up to the gate. Yeah, so massive, that was a great run. Really loved it. You don't know, Nick Lou, big up yourself. Me actually watch your video will give me the encouragement to come to Mystic Mountain and enjoy this. So big up Nick Lou and the whole Skunk Nation family. is it. From our next YouTuber to other YouTubers, I said big up. That this one was really nice. It was a great run, you know. Great run. The other person's a bun corner and a ball out. And a whole break. So me actually do it full lever. Yeah, full lever. Steep here. So I go on. Steep piece of here. So me actually do it full toss. Gas, full toss. No brake, no nothing. Just a speed. So it was great. Big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch the video. Big up to all my die-hearted supporters. Big up to everybody who actually inside of the live chat premiere right now. I watch this. Yeah, so it was great and oh my god, it was awesome. So you release a seatbelt right here and come on. Yeah, me wait till you stop it. Oh, what's up? Alright. Big up yourself.
No problem.
That is it. So massive, it was great. Oh, the photo. Alright, come around. So as for that, it was awesome, it was amazing. I think the Bobsled was the best ride of the day, and without a doubt. Yeah, I want to say something, say big up.
Big up, all the way from Baltimore, Maryland, having a good time at Mystic Mountain.
That is it.
That's
Figure
right.
that. Jamaica walk by here.
That's
All right,
right.
more love, respect. Yeah, so it was great. Big up every time. The fun here is off the chain. Like, trust me, no joke. So yeah, much love. Swear to God. When you remember about up until the day?
Where did it?
See them there?
Oh, well, we passed about.
After 11, a little bit
Then
after
put
11.
this one level 24 for my hand.
So we are trying to get the photo that we took in the SkyLift when we were coming up, see if we can get that photo. So this is where you come, as I was showing you earlier. Alright? You just find the time when you pass. Yeah. Alright, so we can try for about 11.
Imprint number 1124, or it will have to be after that.
Alright, so we're trying to find the photo, alright? Yeah. So that's how you actually get your photos that was printed quick. You know, when you were on the slide, the Bobsled or the Zipline. Yeah, it was crazy. So yeah, this is where you pay after you do all of that. So unfortunately, the device ain't working for the cash right now, so we have to go pay by the entrance because we don't have enough cash. Wanted to use a card. Yeah. Yeah, so massive, there you have it. That was the end of an exciting journey here at Mystic Mountain. Lex, anything you want to say before we close? Come say something. So, massive. Make sure you can't carry no water. So as I said here, say you can't carry water. Yeah, like to say hide the sneaky in something. So massive. Thank you so much for watching this video, this epic video. I'm open to love it. Like it's been crazy, it's been awesome. Like OMG, I'm gonna change my clothes and I'll chuck off into the pool, have some fun with my family before this place close and all of that. So mad love, respect to all my dioted supporters them. But if me I go give Mystic Mountain a 10 out of 10, me I give them 8.5 now. 8.5 because of the price of the water. The food prices ain't so bad, but it's still up on the upper side. Yeah, up and up. Everything when it comes down to drink, $500 water, $500 splash, all of them things and up. So me never like that. Me feel like they could have do better with the prices that they drink them, so me have a beat enough for that. So big up every time. Big up, big shout out to Dale Auto Source, you know, family that were there with we enjoy the journey here. So it has been so great. We had to stay under this little shed here and I enjoy the rest of the day. So thank you so much for watching. Big up every time. Continue to watch the other videos as we make a journey down to Marwa. I am Marwa in Montego Bay. This is one of our stops. See? Mad love, mad respect to everybody outside. Yeah. Kylie is saying she's outside. Yeah. Big up every time, everybody. We're outside.